Welcome to Quicklet, where ideas open your mind, and inspiration opens your soul. In the middle of this busy, noisy world, you might feel a quiet ache, like a part of you is tired that no amount of sleep can fix. That's not just your mind, that's your soul calling for attention. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful, science-backed, and soulful ways to heal your inner world and feel connected again, to life, to others, and to yourself. These aren't just habits, they're invitations to return home, to your truest self. Let's begin. Woman in Lotus Position 1. Silence and stillness. In a world that never stops talking, silence is sacred. Sit in stillness, even for just 5 minutes a day. No scrolling, no music, no talking. Just breathe. Stillness creates space. And in that space, your soul can breathe too. You'll notice something magical. Your thoughts slow down, your breath deepens, and your inner wisdom becomes louder than the noise outside. Let your soul whisper again. Herb 2. Time in nature. Nature doesn't rush, and yet, everything gets done. A 15-minute walk in a park, or even sitting near a tree, can reset your nervous system, lower cortisol, and remind you that you belong to something greater. Touch a leaf. Feel the sunlight. Smell the earth after rain. These small moments reconnect you to the energy that gives life to everything, including you. Your soul feels safest where it remembers its roots. Writing Hand 3. Journaling from the soul. Not just Dear Diary, but soul talk. At night, ask yourself, what did I feel today that I didn't say? Or, what is something I need to hear right now? Then write. Freely. Messily. Honestly. You're not writing for likes. You're writing for healing. Journaling allows your soul to speak without interruption, and the more it speaks, the lighter you'll feel. Heartbreak 4. Forgiveness as freedom. Resentment is like drinking poison and expecting someone else to suffer. Letting go doesn't mean saying what happened was okay. It means saying, I choose peace over pain. I choose light over weight. Write a letter you'll never send. Speak forgiveness aloud to yourself. Do it for you, not for them. Your soul can't rise while carrying stones of anger. Wind Phase 5. Conscious breathwork. Try this now. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Pause for 4. Repeat. This simple box breathing shifts your body out of stress and into calm. Your breath is your life force, and when you breathe with awareness, you invite clarity, balance, and peace into your energy field. This is one of the quickest ways to realign your soul in a chaotic moment. Paint Palette 6. Create without judgment. We are born creators. But somewhere, we learn to stop. Paint. Dance. Scribble. Cook something new. Sing terribly on purpose. The point isn't talent, it's expression. Creating without pressure reconnects you to joy, play, and presence, all of which nourish your spirit. When you create, your soul rejoices, not because it's perfect, but because it's free. Handshake 7. Meaningful human connection. Talk to someone, deeply. Not about the weather, about your truth. Look someone in the eye. Put your phone away. Ask, how's your heart? Instead of, how are you? Real connection, even just one meaningful moment a day, is medicine for the soul. We're not meant to do this life alone, and every genuine connection is a reminder that we are seen, heard, and loved. Glowing Star. Final reflection. You don't need to escape life to find healing. The healing is already here, in your breath, your body, your being. The more we reconnect with what matters, the more alive we feel. And your soul, it's not broken. It's just waiting to be remembered. So today, choose one of these steps. Make it yours. Let it open something inside you. Loudspeaker, call to action, Quicklet style. If this stirred something within you, don't let it fade. Speech balloon. Leave a comment. Tell us what your soul needed to hear today. Thumbs up. Like the video if it brought you peace. Bell and subscribe to Quicklet, where we bring mind-expanding knowledge and soul-deep healing, one video at a time. You're not alone. You're not lost. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Seedling.